Thank you for your purchase on Toysphere Duke XL Tricycle. This tricycle comes with stylish design, strong body base, footrest, hand rest, parental handle control, wide rear wheels for extra grip. This tricycle is easy to assemble by using some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver, a piler and a T-shaped screwdriver for assembling. In step 1, take the main body and place the rear wheels to rear axle with the help of quarter pin on both sides. Now place rear wheel caps to the wheels, on both sides. Insert front fork complete to the main body. Let's put 2 AA batteries to the handle to activate light and music. Place handle to the body and fix it with the help of clamp nut and bolt. Then place handle cap to the body with the help of provided screw. It's time to place parental handle in function. For this, fix moment rod from flute pipe to front wheel and fix it with provided screw. In the last, place parental handle to flute pipe. Your Toysphere Duke XL tricycle is now ready to use. Toysphere. World of toys.